Hey everyone, welcome back to our Python series. Today we are talking about data structures, one of the most important topics in programming. Simply put, data structures help us store and organize data efficiently. Think of it this way: if you have a huge pile of books and no shelf, finding a specific book would be a nightmare. But if you organize them on a shelf properly, you can find any book in seconds. That's exactly what data structures do in programming. So let's explore some of the most common building data structures in Python. First, let's talk about list. A list is like a shopping list. It keeps things in order and you can add or remove items anytime. Let's create a list of students. This list contains four names. A list is defined in square brackets and the values are separated by comma. To print this list, simply type name of the list in print function. You can also check the type of the list by using type function. Notice how entire list is printed in the terminal. Now, lists are super flexible. We can add new students at the end of the list by using a predefined function called append. We can also remove any student from the list using a predefined function called remove. Notice how Bob is removed from the list. And if we want to access just one student, we use indexing. Remember that Python starts counting from 0. Now, since the total number of students in the list are 4, and if we call student at the fourth index, it will give us the error that list index is out of range. Since Python starts indexing from 0, so the last student, which is Eve, will be at the index 3rd. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming videos on data structure.